Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments for your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do is to go to selling so you can find all your listings. After that, you will choose the listing where you want to turn off comments and click on the three dots icon. You click on edit listing and now you will go down here in the navigation tab. So we are going just wait to the page to load and then we will go at the bottom. And here at the bottom, we'll find a private section. So basically, because I have only, because such some of the listings cannot have the privacy section. So basically, you will find your privacy section there and you can turn off comments and you will have it turned off like this. And then click update to save the settings. And this way, you will have your comments turned off successfully. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.